Okay, let's have a look now at Power Edit. This isn't your regular edit that you use in a vanilla version of AutoCAD. What it is AutoCAD Mechanical Power Edit. So it only applies to AutoCAD Mechanical intelligent objects. Now the intelligent objects that we have on this drawing are our center lines. As you can see, we have center lines there, and we have some center lines there and there. Let's have a look at these center lines. Now, I've placed some holes here. Now, I've done that using the centerline command here and using centerline cross with hole. That places a hole at a specified point. But the center lines are actually AutoCAD Mechanical Intelligent Objects. So, if I just hover over one of these lines, like so, and double click on it, that's my Power Edit. Now look, as you can see there, can you see, as I move away, it asks me to specify a diameter. Now that diameter is the diameter of the center line. So if I change that to say 15 and press enter, what you'll see there, can you see that center line there now looks different to that center line there. If I hover over this center line here and double click, specify a diameter there, can you see I move, and as I come out I can do it freehand. Notice you can see the distance there in the box. That's showing at the moment as 63.17. If I change that to 65, let's say, and press enter, can you see there, look, the center line has now gone inside. It's smaller. So I'll just do a Control Z or an undo to take that back to where it was. So I can edit my AutoCAD mechanical objects by just double clicking on them. Let's just pan across here now and look at a regular center line here. There's one there and there's one there. I'll hover over the end here and double click. I can now specify a centerline endpoint. Look, can you see I'm taking that centerline further out there by moving it freehand? So if I take that way and type in 50 and press enter, that centerline extends outwards by 50 along to the left, the direction I was moving it in. Only this end has changed. If I click on this end now and double click and then drag this way and type in 50, can you see it doesn't change? Because I've already done it the once. But as I drag it out now, that's better. Look, can you see I've got the angle now? 50 there. Enter. Why doesn't that change? Because I've already done it this way, as you can see. Let's do the same with this one. If I double click on this one and say that I want this to go up, look, that is just a regular line, as you can see, because it's telling me there, look, line, properties. The properties palette's come up. It's not an AutoCAD mechanical intelligent object. It's just a line representing a center line. So I can't change that one. Clever stuff, isn't it? It knows when it's mechanical and an intelligent object. It knows when it's a regular AutoCAD object. So it's very clever stuff, this Power Edit. It's just a double click. That's all it takes. If I double click here on this hatch, as you can see, it is a hatch pattern, and I can go in and I can edit that hatch. That is an AutoCAD mechanical object. It's an intelligent object, so I can change the pattern if I want to. I can change it to, say, that pattern there, a double cross hatch. And as you can see, I OK that and I OK that. Changes in size, so it doesn't really show very well. So if I right click there and confirm, as you can see, changes it to a cross hatch for me, but it does leave the original in there as well, which can kind of get confusing a little bit sometimes, so be aware of that. But you can see these mechanical objects, the intelligent objects, can just be power edited by double clicking on them.